Hello sir, some companies abroad don't provide payslip po. All remaining requirements are available except for that one. What to do? Okay? So maraming salamat sa pag-comment nyo, Ma'am Jem Redo. Okay, kung wala po kayong payslip, wala pong problema. As long as meron po tayong mga valid IDs, another proof of income tulad ng Certificate of Employment with Compensation at tulad ng job contract or offer letter. So pwede po natin gamitin yon as OFW para makapag-avail ng housing loan with Pag-ibig or bank loan. At wag po kayong mag-alala at pwede pa kayong makahabol sa promo. Up to 140,000 down payment ay hindi nyo na po ito babayaran at magiging discount pa ito or maliles pa to sa TCP ng unit na i-avail mo. For only 10,000 to 25,000 cash out only ay pwede ka na magkaroon ng rent-to-own condo na ready for occupancy na 2-bedroom unit. Lifetime ownership, no hidden charges at all, okay? At kami pang bahala mag-process ng loan mo at wala pang processing fees sa pagproseso ng loan mo. At kung interesado kayo, ma'am, just follow me and message me at huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-heart. Thank you and God bless.